Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Yes, so today what we are doing is we are fixing pineapple box braids. This is the easiest and the best method to fix pineapple box braids. Guys, before you continue with this video, make sure you watch the video where we did the cornrows for the pineapple box braids. Yeah, it's a different video. So in this particular video, the cornrows have already been done, and what we are doing now is just fixing the box braids. So the method that you're going to use here is the simplest and the easiest way to fix your box braids in a way that they're going to last and they're going to look neat, guys. The braid that you're using is darling kama kawaida. In this color is 33. Yeah, darling 33. So the corners were already done, the hair was prepared. We've done a few braids. So I just want you to follow so that you can see how the braids are being fixed. Again, if you've not watched the video where we did the cornrows, you can go, I think, check our previous videos, which will guide you on how to do the partings, the ones you see, the cornrows you see. So guys, what you want to do is just comb the hair through. The hair has already been parted by the boxes, the box pattern that was made using the cornrows. So in this case, it's not even new parting. The braids are already parted, and your work is just to come in with your braid. We are going to use the double fixing method. You want to use a very small piece of braid. And then now you come with the bigger braid and just braid it on top of the one that you've done, yeah? As you can see. So guys, it's not a complicated process. You can just see and then follow through. If you're using short braid, we'll advise you to keep adding the braid as you continue braiding. This will help you achieve a uniform look and consistency that is going to make your braids look super neat by the time you are done. You just continue adding until you get to a point where you don't really need to add. Usually, do you really need to count? No, you'll just feel it. As a braider, you'll know when it's time not to add the braid anymore. But if again you are keen enough and you have the time, you can just count the number of times you add the braid. But again, the adding is just to help you achieve a very consistent look in terms of thickness, as you can see. Yes. So guys, you can see how the hair is coming through. You can use braids of different colors. You can play around with this style actually. You can just go out of it, try and play around with it. That is the final look. This video was short, and basically it's because it was done, the cornrows were done before. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you if you got to this point. Like, share, comment, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll really appreciate that. Bye, and see you on the next video.